Welcome back to another episode of Multimedia Matters. Today we're going to take a look at the second step of screencasting, which is including the webcam. Let's get started. Once again, the program that we're going to look to is QuickTime for our screencasting. So we're going to go ahead and open up QuickTime. Once I have QuickTime open, I can go ahead and click Done here. I don't need this window, and I can go up to File. In File, in order to add the webcam on, I'm going to go to New Movie Recording. There I am. Okay, so I've got my new movie recording. And depending on where it is that I'm going to be using the movie, I want to kind of resize it and make it fit to whatever need I'm going to have. For instance, let's go ahead and start with, let's say I'm working on GarageBand. I'm going to bring up GarageBand here. And I've already got GarageBand. Oh, we've got a problem. My window went to the back. Now that's one of the first settings, actually, that we're going to fix. So the setting that we need here is in QuickTime, and that's going to allow us to actually float this on top. So I'm going to select my my movie again here, my window for the movie recording. I'm going to go up to Window, actually to View, and I'm going to go Float on Top. And now, no matter what it is that I open up, let's say I open up GarageBand here, now I've got that window floating on top once again. But you can see it's controlling, or it's covering a lot of the controls here, and that's kind of a problem. So we're going to go ahead and just resize this so that it's all set up. And I'm just going to kind of fit that right down into this corner area here and make it look like it's kind of part of everything. Now, depending on what features you're working on in GarageBand, you might move this video to different areas. The whole thing is you want to add the part where you can connect with the audience, but also you want to keep it so that the audience can see exactly what you're doing. A lot of people that are screencasting, there are times where their video is covering up things that you need to see, so you want to avoid that. Now, this is GarageBand. What if we were in Photoshop? Let's take a look at that. I'm going to bring up Photoshop. Okay, so now I'm in Photoshop, and you can see the window's a little distracting here. It's kind of big, so we're going to go ahead and just size that down a little bit, and then we're going to put that right down in the corner. And I'm keeping it down in this corner because most likely I would want to use my layers over on the side or be able to see some of the properties that are on the different layers. I definitely want to see the toolbar. So again, this corner is going to be the best one. A lot of it is going to be up to you, whatever you choose here. But we've got our video set up. And now at this point, we're ready to actually start recording our screen capture. So to start screencasting here with QuickTime, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back up to File. I have QuickTime selected. I go to New Screen Recording. And from New Screen Recording, I double check the things that we looked at before, make sure my audio is all good. And now I go ahead and I hit record. Now, I'm going to want to record the full screen because that's going to grab everything that I've got open in my application, and it's going to grab the video as well. So go ahead and click on the screen. And we look up in the upper right hand corner and we see the little stop button there. We're recording at this point. We're picking everything up in QuickTime, and we go through the motions of recording all of that stuff. At any time, if you need to move your window around, you can. If you need to minimize that so it's out of the way, you can. However you want to go about doing that, it's completely up to you for your screencasting. But now you've got your screencasting, you've got your audio set up, and you've got your webcam integrated into your screencast. You've got a more personal connection with your audience, and you are taking the next step in screencasting. Thanks for joining us again for another episode of Multimedia Matters. Bye.